guys, welcome back to my Bailey. No, I'm not. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bailey. As you see, I don't have my sister. She is really sick, but I have my little sister. Come here. Come here. This is my little sister. Now, put that down. I'm not ready for this one. You got a little hint. But this is the store-bought, and this is the made. I like squishing it.
This?
And we have a very special guest. Come on in.
Hi. I am her twin sister. I am her stepsister. And we're twins. So.
I have Shopkins.
My little sister's playing with their Shopkins.
We could put Shopkins in the slime, showing you different types of slimes where we put a lot of ingredients in slimes. Not ingredients, just random things in her slime. So
first, we're starting with these.
And we're going to do the color. No, we got to do the colors of them. Do pink for this one, and then green for this one. So we got this one for my little slime.
And this one for mine.
Whoa, we have to add a lot of ingredients, so grab some. Can't take all of them. That's not fair, look. Okay, there. No, you have to keep that one. Can I have this one, though?
No, you already have that one.
Okay, ready? So let me show you guys with my slime what it looks like with, I'm going to set them up first. Go, I'm still Here, I'm gonna.
No!
That one's
Kira.
This slime. Here, show him your slime.
That's my slime?
I can't see it.
Yes, I did.
Nuh-uh. It was all black, I saw.
Okay.
I'm going home. It's not even funny. Back. Now we're gonna add LOL thingies.
No.
Whoa, what is this?
A seashell. For real.
We're gonna put little random things in them.
I call the heroes.
Swim pop.
And the heroes.
I call these.
Okay, we're getting these out.
No, we have to put like a lot of things in them. That's the whole thingy about this.
No, that was the first one with the Hatchimals.
Oh yeah, okay. The Hatchimals need to go out. I am sorry. That was
Mine's
our.
done.
I'm
Okay,
not-
where's mine? The sunglasses.
Oh, they're right there.
Right here.
Wait, Kira.
And the heels.
Okay.
I'm doing some sunglasses.
So I am doing. Where did the little character go? Oh, it's in here. So I'm gonna show you guys. No, one of the characters. I don't have one. Oh well. So we have this little character here,
And now I'm doing heels.
and then I'm doing this one. So, and then I'm doing a little skirt, and then
This is
I'm
how
doing-
mine looks.
and I'm doing this.
It's not mixing them well.
Okay. I'm
It
gonna show you
dropped.
all my characters. They need to see both of us, Bailey, not just you. Here, come here.
Here, I'm going to show them this one.
No, I'm trying to fix mine.
I'm adding charms.
Yeah, I'm gonna put her like in the little
How about I do all Hatchimals and you do like all like...
random thingies.
Yeah. I'm doing all Hatchimals, guys.
Where's the other one? And then we're gonna mix them.
I don't know if all mine can fit. But some might fall out. That's okay.
I'm gonna have one Hatchimal, and that's gonna be this one.
That's not a Hatchimal.
Oh well, it's a Shopkin. So that one's my slime. Really cute. Well, oh yeah, right there. Bailey, show him your slime.
No, not yet.
Ooh, they're so cute.
Okay, hurry.
That one's a Shopkin.
This is mine. It's the Hatchimal party.
It's the Hatchimal party, eh?
Now we're mixing.
Ah, Granny.
Oh my gosh, this feels so good.